5 unusual uses for coffee you've probably never heard of before. Sprinkle coffee over candles. The result will surprise you. Melt white candles in a pan. Remove the wicks and prepare a decorative container. Pour in the wax, add cloves and ground coffee, stir, and insert the wick. Once the wax hardens, your candle is ready. Its aroma of coffee and cloves will help you relax, boost focus, and even repel insects. This homemade remedy will make you look at least 10 years younger. All you need is egg white to tighten the skin, a spoon of instant coffee as an exfoliant, and a spoon of honey. Mix the ingredients, apply the mask to your face or hands, leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. The result? Nourished, radiant, and smooth skin. Pour vinegar into coffee. This combo works wonders. All you need is 300 milliliters of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of coffee, and 1 tablespoon of table salt. Add 100 milliliters of dish soap, mix it well, and pour into a spray bottle. Spray it on dirty surfaces and wipe with a sponge. This homemade cleaner removes grease, burnt residue, and buildup, leaving everything sparkling clean. Pour this mixture onto a burnt pot. It'll look like new. Mix 2 tablespoons of ground coffee, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Apply the paste to the burnt spots and let it sit for a few minutes. Scrub with a sponge and watch the stains disappear. Your pot will shine again. Brew coffee like never before. With this unusual method, you can enjoy a clean cup without any grounds. All you need is a paper towel, a rubber band, and ground coffee. The paper acts as a filter, trapping the grounds while you enjoy a rich, aromatic drink. A simple way to rediscover the joy of coffee.